बच्चा है, सुअर का बच्चा है तुम्हारा मादर चोद। तुमको एक बार बोलता सुन, भोसड़ी वाले का फाड़ कर रख देंगे मादर चोद को। तब बोलता होता सुन सुअर का बच्चा है। बोले माँ का चोद देंगे अभी, नहीं तो अभी रंडे का बच्चा को।
जान है जान है जान है जान है जूली जूली जॉनी का दिल तुम पे आया जूली तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं सूली।
Alright people, we are back once again here in Kolkata. I'm here right now in one of the busy streets. You can already hear it in the morning, and we are going to visit one of the most controversial men in India. You might have seen him everywhere. He's everywhere popular on social media for his famous food, and we're going to visit him and check it out. Some people love him, some people hate him, but we are today here to give an honest review if that is really good or not. So sit back, relax, and join me right now. Okay, you can already see there is a big waiting queue over there. He's like in India very popular, but I have also seen some negative comments about him. I really hope he's serving his Club Kachoris over here. So yeah, let's give it a try today. This is where the line starts over here. Wow, guys. The people over here, they already have it. So let's try that out over here, I would say. And I think we need to play the most famous song over here. He has a famous song.
Famous, very famous.
Yeah, I should try it out. My channel name, Antoine Abroad. Nice to meet you. Yeah. 1 second, yeah, I want to do the hut, hut, hut. We are ready, guys. Okay, it's fortunately very fast. We have a security over here. Security. People are enjoying it. Hello, sir. Nice to meet you.
Their employees here, they are just they are just saying to maintain the line.
Ah, okay, nice. I want to visit a famous Uncle G. Our friend Uncle G over here. You can see the line is everywhere over here. Everyone is sitting here and enjoying it, basically. And it's also normal here in India that sometimes some cars are randomly spawning out of nowhere. So that's pretty normal over here, I would say. Germany, nice to meet you, my friend. Yeah. Did you already try it?
My uncle stays in Jammu.
Yeah, really? Nice. Nice. Need to have a good shot over here. Yeah, you can already see our uncle over here. Wait a minute. Is he over here somewhere? Ah, here. Yeah, this guy is a legend, I can say. And I think it's every day like this. My taxi driver told me the waiting queue is every day like this. People are waiting and standing here to have this over here. But today he's very calm, Uncle G. Seems like some new soup is served here. Check that out over here, guys. Wow. Put it in. And look at this nice brown color. Wow, guys. Check this out. Amazing. Wow. Okay.
That's the curry, not the soup.
That's the curry, not the soup. Ah, okay, it's like a potato curry, right? Nice. We have been standing here for the last 5 minutes, but we are not really moving. I don't know where's our security guy. There are some more people spawning over here. We have been waiting all the time. Hey, security. We are waiting here, security. Yeah, this is my channel. Yeah, you can follow if you want, yeah? Okay. I would appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, very nice. I think it's time to play the most famous... Hello, sir. Nice to meet you. I think it's time to play the most famous song. Do you all know the song? I'll play it for you, okay? Look at this. Hello, sir. A small portion, please. Well, the song is here. You know the song? Yeah. One small portion, please, yeah? Thank you. Yes. Nice. Yes, sir. But where's the hot, hot, hot? Hey. You know your song? Thank you, sir. Even he's smiling today. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, one small portion, yes. Thank you so much. Wow, guys. It's very fast over here. It's working very... 50 years, right? Okay.
But I am sitting this here 38 years.
30 years here?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice.
Not nothing like that.
No, no, please, come on.
This is not compulsory. This is not compulsory for you. But
What? Really, sir, please.
please, sir.
Sir, please. Come on, sir.
चुप एकदम चलो मैं आपका मेरे से बुरा थोड़ा चार कितने का
But so I cannot pay. I'm not allowed to pay here, but I want to pay. Sir,
I want no cheap payment.
please, I want to pay, sir.
No, sir. This is my duty.
Okay, okay,
To
sir.
my shop.
No, I know you from.
Welcome to my shop.
Thank you so much. I know you from the internet.
Where you come to from?
Germany,
Germany.
Europe. Nice to meet you, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, very, very nice. Wow.
बचपन आपको दिया
It's for me? Okay, okay. Thank you so much, yeah? Wow, guys, check this out. Thank you, yeah? Wish you a happy time. Thank you so much, yeah? Oh, guys, how do I hold? Okay, once again, thank you very much, okay?
Once again, you come to my shop.
Yeah?
Welcome to my shop.
Thank you so much, guys. Okay, yeah, guys. Okay, we are going to check this out over here, right? I didn't expect that he'd be so friendly to me. Wow, guys. This is the hospitality of Kolkata over here. I can really say. Let's have a nice space somewhere, and we can have a honest review. I don't know. Let's sit somewhere over here, I think. Okay, guys. So I think we have a good place over here. Really hot outside. I think like 38 degrees outside today. We are going to try this Club Kachori for the first time, and we will give it an honest review afterwards. Oh, guys, I don't know where I should start actually. It's such a big portion. I asked for a small one, but he gave me like a double size. We can try maybe this type of bread, I think it is, first. Oh, very nice. Wow. I think you need to dip it like this into the curry. Wow, guys. A little bit spicy, but yeah, it's still very good. No. Guys, I can say, really, for me, the flavor is perfect. I really like the flavor. I think I tried it once in my life, this Club Kachori, but this is really like one of the best dishes I've tried here in West Bengal, I can say. So, really nice. Maybe one more time. This is how it looks like over here. You can see you have basically like these breads over here that you can dip with the curry. The curry is like under the bread, and can also have those type of small, I would say those small crisp snacks, like those small, I don't know, noodle shaped type of crispy chips or something, crisps, yeah. And that's basically the dish, and it's very simple, but this guy over here has been selling it for the last 50 years. For the last 50 years he's been selling it. So he's one of the oldest shops to sell this dish over here. Really, really interesting. And it's really funny because he started to pop up, I think, like 1 or 2 years ago, even though like most of the Indians know him for so long already, you know? Okay, guys, now that I'm done with this dish over here, I can really say it was really, really nice to say. You can see this line over here is basically all day long. This guy is also every day here, I think?
Yes, I come here every day.
He comes here every day?
Brightness बढ़ा दो इनको. Do you want to eat?
No, I already have it. It's okay. I already had it.
Got it?
Yeah, I already had it like 5 minutes ago. It was very nice.
इसको देखने के लिए brightness बढ़ा दो.
Okay. And basically, what I wanted to say is this guy over here is working on the last 50 years over here. It all started with his dad. He and his dad would go to the factory working, and in the morning they would sell this famous dish over here, this Club Kachori over here. And what started as a side hustle was then one day a main job for him, and today it's like he's selling it only in the morning, so it starts at around 7 a.m. and around 12 o'clock he's already closing it. Okay, guys, we are right now back on the streets right now. Basically, what I wanted to add is the reason why I wanted to visit this Uncle G over here is in social media you always see him being angry and, I don't know, being dirty. But the real reason is, I would say, there are a lot of customers most of the time, they are disturbing him and he's just doing his job. So for me, for example, he was very gentle and very hospitable. So I could really say, for me, it was a very nice experience over here, and I can recommend it to everyone. So our next goal, what we are doing right now is we are going to look for a good lassi, a good Punjabi lassi. Let's see if we can find a Punjabi lassi over here. And yeah, 5 minutes. Only, yes. Okay guys, now that we couldn't find an Uber, we are doing a Grand Theft Auto Kolkata.
Okay, come on.
Yes, boss. Whoa. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, guys, we are right back on the streets over here. Wow. Okay, let's walk to our next lassi place over here. It's very chaotic. We are right in the middle of the center over here. Oh, wow. Okay, nice. The lassi corner. It's a very special lassi corner. Basically, they are serving like special lassis, like with fruits, like mango. You can have, I think, strawberry also. We shall figure that out in a couple minutes. Okay, guys, I think it's around this corner over here, somewhere over here. Let's have a further look over here. Hey, you know where's Lassi? Lassi, drinking Lassi. Lassi. Yeah? Okay, Lassi. Okay, guys, let's go deeper inside. Oh, guys, you can imagine how it smells over here. Wow. Ah, okay. Seems like the Lassi place over here. Some more Lassi shops over here. Balaji World Class Lassi. Okay, there are already some people enjoying it. I think this is the place over here. Seems like there are some more flavors. I think this is the typical flavor. And we also have I think this is with mango or something. Annoying. Alright, is someone here? Hello? 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 Here. Ah. 2. Okay. Lassi. Hello, boss. Nice to meet you. You have lassi, sweet. 1. How much? Kitna? Okay. So you have a plain lassi, classic, kesharia, mango, pineapple, chocolate lassi, guys. Wow. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, very nice. I don't know. Give me a classic, sweet lassi. Lassi, sweet, normal. Classic but sweet, yeah? Okay. Where is it? Wow, guys, check this out over here. They even have like some cheese on it and coconut and everything. Wow. Hey guys, this is how it looks like. I mean, in general, I can also try some. What is this, by the way? With cheese, no? It's cheese. Cheese. Paneer. Malai. Ah, okay. So this is how it looks like. Right over here. And you have like this topping, like this cheese topping, or I think it's the milk topping. And you have the lassi, of course, okay? So we are going to enjoy it. Hey! The boys are back. Lassi! Lassi, yeah, nice. It's very good place over here. Very nice. What are you doing, guys? Don't you have school or something?
We are playing cricket now, going home.
Are you skipping school?
No, summer vacation.
Ah, cricket, summer vacation. Oh, nice, cricket.
Yes, cricket.
Yeah, nice, guys. Wow.
See, jersey.
Yeah, nice. I know, yeah, cricket, yeah? Very nice, guys.
We organize tournaments.
Yeah?
You take part.
Really, I cannot play cricket. I've never played cricket in my life.
We'll teach you how to play.
Yeah, but when? Tomorrow I have to leave. Tomorrow I go to Mumbai.
We will miss you.
Yeah.
Take us Mumbai.
Yeah, tomorrow. Mumbai. Today is my last day. Tomorrow I go to Mumbai. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, nice guys. Wish you good luck with your cricket. Okay.
We will miss you.
Yeah, it's okay. Subscribe me. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You went to sports.
All right, let's just go, bro.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Let's go.
Bye.
All right, okay. Back to the topic. We wanted to try our lassi over here. So many people over here. Wait a minute. Let's go back over here. Actually, I don't know. People are very curious over here. And yeah, guys, it's time to try our lassi over here. I didn't find a better space. I'm sorry. I don't know. People over here are going mad. Hello. Let's try our lassi over here. Oh. Wow. This one over here is more like a yogurt dessert. it's less like a liquid to drink or to slurp. It's more like a yogurt, so you have to eat it actually. But I can really say it's so good. Wow, that's what I love about India, you know, like every single dish in India, they are going to spice it or season it up so it tastes good. Even their milk tastes so good, you know. So that's just India, guys. The food in India is so mad, I can say. Wow. Okay guys, now I'm done over here. I had everything that I wanted. I had my Club Kachori, I had my lassi right now, and I would like to say thank you so much. See you guys on the next episode. Bye.